this is Greg Siegel from Codeable, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use text fields in your Xcode project. So the first thing we want to do is go to Xcode, go to create a new Xcode project, select single view application and go next. Okay, from here we're going to type in Textfields. You can type in whatever you want, remember that though. You do not have to name it Textfields, you can name it whatever you want, it's your project. Okay, so from here we can go into our viewcontroller.h. Just going to center this and zoom in. Okay, once we've done this, we're going to create a bracket. Going to open up some space for our outlets. Going to type in IB outlet space UI text field. Yes. And then we're going to do space, do the star text field, and then we're going to do semicolon, and we're going to enter and go down and type in IB outlet space UI label, and I'm going to do space star label again, and then semicolon. Once we've done this, we're just going to close up the space, and then we're going to create our action. So we're going to do dash bracket open IB action bracket closed, and then button, and then semicolon from here. Okay, so what this is going to do is we're going to have two outlets, one which will be a text field and one which will be a label. Then we're going to have our action, which will be a button. And what's going to happen is you're going to be able to write something in the text field, you're going to be able to press the button, and then whatever you've written inside the text field will appear in the label. And that's what we're going to be doing today. So what we're going to do is going to zoom out, go to our viewcontroller.m, zoom back in for you, and we're going to go dash bracket open IB action bracket closed button, and then bracket. The bracket will automatically appear and we'll be able to start coding. Okay, so from here I'm going to type in my label.text, and I'm going to space, do an equals sign, and do bracket open ns string space string with format colon the @ symbol, speech marks, then the percentage symbol, then another @ symbol, and then a percentage symbol. And we'll do a comma and then a space. After this we'll do a bracket, type in text field space text, two brackets and a semicolon. At this point we'll enter and start a new line, and we'll type in text field dot text space equals sign space again, the @ symbol, a speech mark symbol, and a speech mark symbol again, and then we'll end that with a semicolon. Once this is done we can fill in the space and we'll zoom out. So all the coding for this project is done, we just need to go to our viewcontroller.xib. Once we've done this, we can drag this up, and I can go in here, we'll drag this down again, sorry, and we'll change the colour of this to white, just to make things a little bit clearer. Once we've done this, I can drag in my button, my label, and my text field, and then we can position them. I'll place the text field at the top and align it with the edges. I'll then place the label underneath and we'll do the same thing. I'll drag it to its maximum capacity, and then we'll center the label just to make things a little bit neater. The button underneath I'll again center. I'll place in the middle this time and type in click here. Should be still centered. After this we can go to our files owner and we can then attach the label outlet and the text field outlet. We can also attach the button action and type in and press touch it up inside. Once this is done, we can then add a little extra to our text field. We can go down, and where it says clear button and it says never appears, we can drag and press appears while editing. We can click on this. So what happens is once we're typing in the text field, it will come up with a little button in the corner here, and we'll be able to clear the button and we'll clear the text automatically. This is a really nice feature and makes things a lot more professional and neat. So once this is done, I think we're ready to go. I'll zoom out and we'll go to the iPhone 5.0 simulator and run. Here we go, we're running the application. So if I write hello, I can then press the button and it will appear underneath in the label. It will say, hello, hope you're enjoying the vid, just like I wrote up top in the label, in the text view, sorry. Okay, so if we again type in something, and we can put hello this time, just hello, we'll have a little X in the corner here. We can press this and it will clear the text. So you can see how nice of a feature this is. If I'm writing here and I have a really long sentence like this, I now don't have to go like this, or in the keyboard, just keep doing that. I can just press the X and it's all gone. So really simple, it's really efficient, and this is just a really nice feature for this text field, which you can use for your user. As you can see, the button's a little bit lower than it should be, so we can click off of this and move this up again. You can even move it up, right up here. And if we run it again, you'll see it will be a little bit more clear. And the keyboard will not go over it. So if we click up, you can see that the button is nice and neatly above the keyboard. I'll show it to you once again. Just type in hello guys. And again, it clears the text above in the text field and places it in the label. It's a really nice little feature, and I'm sure you guys can find use for it. I'm sure it'll be useful. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again.